Chief Charles Orie, you are an enigma. Chief Charles Orie, you are a man with a heart of gold. Chief Charles Orie, you are a very humble human being. Chief Charles Orie, you see your fellow human being as equal. Chief Charles Orie, you don't hurt people. You suffer every sacrifice to make sure that even those who feel downtrodden feel that they are human beings before you. Chief Charles Orie, you borrow money to send money to people you have promised to help. Chief Charles Orie, you give your last money, even when your children want you to give them money, to give those people who you think have no hope. Chief Charles Orie, for so many years in your life, you have touched people's lives without condition. Both men, women, children, and everybody. Chief Charles Orie, you don't have respect for money. Money respects you. You use money to make people believe in God. Chief Charles Orie, you are God's agent on earth. Chief Charles Orie, you have gone through thick and thin. You have gone through so many things in life, but you have always come out victorious. You have been a champion for more than 35 years and you are still standing. It is only the grace of God, because God knows your heart, and God that you worship will give you continuous peace of mind and happiness. You have made money. You have friends. I will challenge everybody in this place today to say that you have not touched his life or her life one way or the other. Chief Charles Orie, God is with you. And for the children that you have placed today, they will pray for you. They will continue praying for you. And you see some difference in your life. And those differences are not differences money can buy, but they are differences the grace of God will give you. I want to wish you a very happy birthday and many happy returns. Thank you, my brother.